Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring network access to genuine. Software2, Autodesk, COM and turning off VPN or custom DNS that can block activation. Next, sign into your Autodesk account and jot down the exact product name, serial, and version so you request the right response. Once done, close all Autodesk processes, backup preferences, and launch the installer or app as administrator to let the activation handshake begin without permission or file lock issues. Next, diagnose middle layer problems by editing the host's file to remove any lines pointing to Autodesk or Software2 domains. That often reroutes activation. Then repair or reinstall the Autodesk licensing service and required Visual C++ runtimes because corrupted libraries break key validation. Make sure your firewall or security suite allows outbound connections for Autodesk executables on ports 80 and 443. Finally, restart the licensing service and retry activation so the client. To finish, clear cached activation and licensing files, then run the activation flow again while watching for errors. If problems persist, gather logs such as ADSC licensing agent. Log and installer logs to understand the failure point because logs reveal whether it's network, token, or file corruption. If needed, perform a clean reinstall of the product and licensing components or use Autodesk's temporary offline activation procedure. And if nothing works, that log bundle is the single most helpful thing to share with support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.